As teachers, we tend to think of social media, especially video sharing platforms, as distractions, making our students procrastinate. While in fact, students use such platforms also for their information seeking, making them potentially relevant to their studies too. At the same time, the quality of the information provided there will not always be up to what we'd expect from an educational point of view. My project will therefore explore if and how we might use video sharing platforms, notably Instagram video, to support blended problem-based learning at I will look into how video sharing platforms have been used in higher education and at specifically, and what kind of challenges and issues might arise.